In this episode, it's time to take off all the nasty door weather stripping and replace it with some better stuff. Brand new. Oh boy, that's coming off easy. Okay, let's get started. Completely different from the old incandescent. Wow, that looks nice. Okay, well here's the new Weatherstrip, exactly like the old stuff, and some 3M yellow super Weatherstrip and gasket adhesive. Those two things together, we should be able to replace it. We just got to get all this old crap off of here. Yeah, and all the old goo. Look at that. Yeah, that part's really easy, but you can see there's some, especially here where it looks like the previous owner had re-glued it. Got to get that crap off of there so we have a good clean surface for the adhesive and the new weather stripping to go on. And we got to get this bottom part off here, the sill edge. Just some Phillips head screws and it should come right off, and the insulation right behind it. Okay, well this one here gave me a hard time. It didn't want to come out very easily, and it's important to note that there's another one right inside here. So on that inside edge, and that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Let's take it off, see what we got. How easy does that come out of there? There we go. Not bad. We don't have a terrible amount of rust either underneath there. Looks good. Okay, let's get it out. There's the one side. This part's coming out real nice. Okay, good. And this interior part, it looks real clean, all except for here, where we've got all of this, I don't know, re-glue section. I'm taking off what was left of the old weather stripping, and there's a little bit of glue residue there. Okay, that turned out nice and clean. I hit it with some, well, paint thinner, or maybe it was acetone, I don't remember. But that's all nice and shiny now, about as clean as I can get it. And now it's time to work on the weather stripping. Okay, here's that. This side's the inside edge. This side here is the outside edge, so inside, outside, you can see that lip right there. Okay, we're going to take this Weatherstrip gasket adhesive and just run it right along the inside of the weather stripping, all the way down the full length. Okay, well that turned out real good. Check that out. Except I did have, that was my head, some excess here. If you can see it, there you go. And a little acetone, and that'll come right off. I say with a little acetone, that'll come right off. Uh-oh. No, it's coming off fine. That little nurdle right there. Yeah, I got it. Another one there. Ah, the boogies are stuck to me. Make it hit the wall. No, didn't stick. Another booger. There we go. I'll finish cleaning those up and take one more look around and install that trim piece. Now, a couple of my screws were, I don't know, the Phillips head was stripped, so I found some that I had in a bucket. Spare parts actually for the 59 and its trim pieces, and these were a couple of old ones that came off, but they're in good shape. And I'll go ahead and put them here and here. It's cinching down right over there really good. Okay, weather stripping's in. Now, let's see if this door itself is going to be a nightmare. Let's see if it's all adjusted to where it closes okay. And, hey, there we go. Ooh, sounds solid too. Oh, see, that didn't close all the way. Doing. Well, I'm going to give it, a day or two to kind of break in just by being closed. And then we'll be able to have it seated a lot smoother than that where it's, a little too tight. But I think that, yeah, that's not bad. That door's adjusted good. The depth is good. The striker and the door latch is good. And there we go. Okay, one more time. Nice. That's it for this episode. That's all done. That was an easy one. But now you can kind of see how it all goes together, how it comes apart and goes together. Hey, thank you for watching, and like and subscribe. We've got lots more videos on this truck, Kermit the Ford, and the old 1959 Ford F150 Engine Joe. So that's it for now. Until next time, thanks. Bye. Oh, let's close that door. I'm out.